Want to add flavor to your holidays? Captain Morgan's Parrot Bay flavored rums can really spice up the season. Coconut, mango, pineapple, passion fruit. These cool island flavors are hot. Not only are Parrot Bay flavored rums the best tasting, highest quality and fastest growing brands in the category, but they are also more profitable. Treat your customers to some real island excitement that will put them in a vacation frame of mind any time of year. This holiday is the perfect time to capitalize on the successful Parrot Bay Shore Points program that saturated vacation and beachfront destinations with happening events and made Parrot Bay a big part of the seaside memories of many consumers. Flavored rum consumers are fun-loving people who like to try new drinks made with brands they recognize. Parrot Bay helps you reach these consumers by offering a brand they know and love, and supports your sales efforts with innovative promotions and marketing activities. To build loyalty with these consumers, feature Parrot Bay flavored rums in menus and signature drinks. 2 out of 3 consumers prefer Parrot Bay coconut flavored rum to Malibu, so you know that once they experience the fresh fruit taste of the other Parrot Bay flavors, they will always come back for more. Mojito Madness, a signature drink promotion designed to reach consumers both on and off premise, brings a lively new twist to this wildly popular island cocktail. Parrot Bay flavored rum mojitos, makeable in 4 fruit minty flavors, mango, pineapple, coconut, and passion fruit, will let the party really take off. The promotion will help gain floor space and shelf presence in the off-premise with thematic point of sale and standalone displays that will in turn make Parrot Bay sales fly. A variety of fun visibility items and menu placements will drive the call for Parrot Bay flavored mojitos, especially among Hispanic and African American consumers. So, be sure that all flavors of Parrot Bay are featured on the back bar, and make sure bartenders recommend Parrot Bay flavored rum mojitos. It's all about visibility, man. Competitive taste in events versus Malibu will drive home the point that Captain Morgan's Parrot Bay flavors mixed with any juice or soda make amazing tropical drinks. Get on the bus with Captain Morgan's Parrot Bay and let flavored rums drive your holiday sales higher than ever.